Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Josh Stroschein, and I want to welcome you to Getting Started with Reverse Engineering. I am an assistant professor in cybersecurity at Dakota State University, senior security researcher at VDA Labs, and a malware analyst for Bromium. The ability to reverse engineer binary code is an essential skill for anyone responsible for software security, performing malware analysis, and even plays a significant role in performing penetration tests and incident response. In this course, we are going to learn how to quickly and effectively reverse engineer this binary code to determine program characteristics and behaviors. Some of the major topics that we will cover include the essential elements of modern CPU architecture and assembly language, native code and binary file formats such as the portable executable file format, and techniques to enrich your reverse engineering efforts. And finally, to gain proficiency in the tools and techniques associated with performing both static and dynamic analysis. This will include both IDA Pro and WinDebug. Throughout this course, you'll be able to follow along through comprehensive demonstrations and apply yourself through hands-on labs. And by the end of this course, you will have the knowledge and skills necessary to reverse engineer native code binaries. Before beginning the course, some basic familiarization with assembly language will be helpful, but certainly not required. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to reverse engineer with Getting Started with Reverse Engineering at Pluralsight.